How you guys doing? It's Sundays. Mike MC Raps. We'll be at the shop, kicking ass as usual. I'll show you guys a couple of things that we got going on. We're doing some decals for this young lady over here. We're gonna lay some pinstriping along the side as well. We already did the hood. There's Bronco. I'm sorry, my Jeepers, my fellow Jeepers, but we're getting ready to wrap her in yellow and do some daisies on the front. And then we're finishing up this gentleman's trike. Just laying the little eagle with the American flag. Yeah, she looks pretty badass. Finishing up this bourbon, we're gonna do a hood graphic design. We're taking off the old. We took off the other old vinyl on her, wrapping her with matte black with some gloss accents. She looks pretty dope. And look at her. We laid the inner fenders on this Jeep, and then we actually did some wrapping on her. Here's another one right here. Bam! So she's gonna be picking her up today as well. So this is what we got going on. Unfortunately, we gotta work Sundays. That's what it is. So I wish you guys a happy new year. If you guys need anything, come holler at us. We got you guys covered. We appreciate you, and God bless.